Ever felt like you're stuck in a rut, watching your dreams pass you by? You're not alone. I used to think that achieving my goals required endless hustle and sacrifice. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to manifest your dreams effortlessly, without burning out. It's a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their life. The idea of manifesting your dreams sounds amazing, right? Who wouldn't want to wake up every morning feeling fulfilled and excited about their life? But here's the thing. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that success requires struggle. We're told to work hard, push through obstacles, and grind every day. And while that's one approach, it's not the only way. For a long time, I bought into the idea that manifesting required a lot of effort. I tried visualization, affirmations, and even meditation. But it didn't always feel natural. There were times when I felt like I was forcing it, trying to will my dreams into existence through sheer willpower. But that didn't feel sustainable or enjoyable. The truth is, when we're trying to manifest our dreams, we often get caught up in the how. We worry about the details, the timeline, and the obstacles that might come up. But what if I told you that the how isn't even the most important part? What if the key to manifesting your dreams effortlessly lies in something much simpler? One of the biggest misconceptions about manifesting is that it requires a lot of hard work and struggle. People often think that you need to be constantly focused on your goals, pushing and striving to make them happen. But I'm here to tell you that's not entirely true. Manifesting can be easy, enjoyable, and even effortless. Think about it. When you're trying to force something to happen, you're often coming from a place of lack or desperation. You're trying to control the outcome, which can actually push it further away. But what if you could let go of that need for control and simply trust that your dreams are on their way? Another misconception is that manifesting requires a specific mindset or personality type. Some people think you need to be super positive or have a certain level of spiritual awareness. But the truth is, anyone can manifest their dreams, regardless of their background or personality. The key is to understand that manifesting is not just about taking action, it's also about being in the right energy. When you're vibrating at a frequency that matches your desires, you become a magnet for them. It's like you're sending out a signal that's attracting exactly what you want. So, what are some practical techniques that can help you align with your desires and manifest them more easily? For starters, you can try practicing gratitude. Focus on the things you're thankful for, rather than what's lacking in your life. You can also try meditation to help you connect with your inner self. One technique that has helped me is to focus on the feeling of already having what I want. Instead of visualizing the end result, I try to tap into the emotions of joy, excitement, or relief. This helps me get into a state of alignment where I'm vibrating at the same frequency as my desires. Another technique is to let go of resistance. When you're trying to manifest your dreams, it's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts or doubts. But what if you could simply acknowledge those thoughts and let them go? You can try writing them down, then ripping up the paper as a symbol of release. The more you practice these techniques, the more you'll start to notice a shift in your energy. You'll feel more aligned with your desires, and you'll start to see synchronicities and opportunities that bring you closer to your goals. At the heart of effortless manifesting is a deep trust that everything is working in your favor. It's a sense of faith that your dreams are on their way, even if you can't see them yet. This trust isn't about being passive. It's about being open to possibilities and allowing life to unfold. For me, the key insight that transformed my manifesting process was understanding that it's not about the how, it's about the why. Why do you want to manifest your dreams in the first place? What feelings or experiences are you trying to create? When you connect with your why, you'll find that the how takes care of itself. This insight has been a game changer for me. It's allowed me to relax and trust that my dreams are on their way. And it's not just about me. I've seen it work for others too. When you focus on the why and let go of the how, you'll be amazed at what starts to show up in your life. In conclusion, manifesting your dreams doesn't have to be hard or complicated. By letting go of common misconceptions and focusing on practical techniques, you can align with your desires and watch them unfold effortlessly. Remember, it's not about the struggle, it's about the flow. To recap, we've discussed how manifesting can be easy and enjoyable, and explored practical techniques to help you get started. We've also talked about the importance of trusting that your dreams are on their way. If you're ready to start manifesting your dreams effortlessly, I encourage you to share your own experiences in the comments below. What techniques have worked for you? What challenges have you faced? Let's keep the conversation going. And if you're looking for more tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other related videos.